Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the notifications on the Batch Jobs application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Account Settings. Tap on Notifications. Here at this section you are free to select whether you would like to get notifications about job offers, whether you would like to be notified about the platform notifications, or when there is a new applicants alert. So all you have to do is simply clicking on the button that you can see in the screen. So now all of these kind of notifications are turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.